Hey yo guys, and welcome to a second channel video. I figured this would be kind of a weird thing to talk about in the main channel, so I figured I'd make a quick video on this. But apparently now Wallstreetbets, aka the Reddit that's been kind of behind this recent GameStop massive surge of price, has literally been basically banned off of Reddit. I saw some mod posts earlier on today too as well when it came to the actual Reddit thread itself and Reddit post itself, basically with the mods saying that due to so many people and so many bots and so many different other accounts coming on in, there's an actual potential SEC, basically the actual financial overbody that's basically regulating everything in terms of stocks, etc., actually could go and have issues with both Reddit, aka the website, or the actual subreddit itself. Now, I actually saw this and kind of, I think this is the main reason why I actually did go get banned in the first place, because as you guys even read the message over here for the Wall Street Bet saying, we are experiencing technical difficulties based on unprecedented scale as a result of a newfound interest in Wall Street Bets, which is basically kind of what I was saying before, is that there were so many bot accounts, new accounts, spam accounts, and also a lot of speculation of major hedge fund managers paying money, paying people, paying, like, imagine people, like, I'd say paying people on like Fiverr to go and spam and have very negative market sentiment about major things such as AMC, GameStop, etc. Now, if any of you guys also want to have a place to go and trade and to make sure this video, go and link down below. I have the Weeble referral. If you guys go and sign up there and deposit $100, you guys can do post and market trades, as well as you guys also can make a bunch of free money too as well if you guys ever want to. You guys get like $25 for free if you guys sign up. It's kind of like Robinhood, but I like it a little bit better myself. If you guys want that, I'll link that down below. Same with the Twitter, Twitch stream, and also the PS5 giveaway, so make sure you guys are subscribed for that and the main channel as well. And also check in Amazon if you guys are trying to get PS5. All right, but anyway, we are unable to ensure Reddit's content policy and the Wall Street Bets rules are enforceable without a technology platform that can support automation of this enforcement, which is basically, once again, what I said is that a lot of these actual mods were saying, hey, they were just literally so much traffic on the dailies, on new threads, on comments, and that were essentially all technically illegal or could be bounced into illegal from the SEC. And now, the main reason why it might be quote unquote illegal is because it's technically illegal to go and push for a pump and dump, which is basically a sentiment where a lot of people try to go buy a stock, cryptocurrency, whatever it is, all at the same time to essentially skyrocket up the price and then try to go and basically just people sell. So imagine you have one guy who's like, hey, let's go buy $5 million worth of Apple stock. But they already had, $5 million already bought beforehand before they announced that. And then as the price goes and skyrockets, as like thousands of people go buy the stock at 1 second, then that person tries to sell at the very top and everyone else is kind of left holding bags, aka they lost money, or they can't lose money. So that's technically something that is highly illegal. Now, do I think Wall Street Bets is doing this myself? No, I do not think they're doing that at all. And I think that's almost kind of seems like a bad ploy from major big money markets, aka the hedge funds and aka the really big investment, billion-dollar investment firms, to basically say, hey, stop promoting this, stop encouraging people to go buy. We're losing big money. As you guys have kind of been seeing probably throughout the past few weeks, a lot of this is based on the Wall Street Bets subreddit, which kind of leads into big money losing money and retailer investors such as us that are watching these videos basically losing money itself. So it's insane that Wall Street Bets was even like temporarily banned, quote unquote. I don't think this is a full-on ban. They even will say, hey, we'll be back. But the main issues too, you guys can see all these other things where a lot of people are saying, hey, it's set to private, hey, everything's having issues, and also the discords are gone, etc., etc. We even saw tweets up there too as well on the actual like Wall Street Bets Twitter, where they're basically saying, hey, like, we're not going to be silenced, but we have to kind of do what we have to go and do. So just be on the lookout for that. That's kind of the main reason why. Once again, it's because of SEC. They don't want to be encouraged of a pump and dump. They also can't go and allow so many of these other random new accounts or side accounts encouraging people to buy. There's like a big financial no-no of people literally encouraging folks to go and buy, and especially if they're not financial advisors and like they're not, if they're all trying to buy at the same time to essentially go and manipulate the stocks. It's a good example is maybe even Elon Musk got in trouble with the SEC by telling people to buy or sell stocks because he's technically a higher up in his actual company. So I think that's the major reason why the actual Wall Street Bets did go get banned / privated. And also, I think Reddit does not want it, like the Reddit, the actual company itself, like reddit.com, not the actual subreddit itself. But I think Reddit itself as a company does not want to have to go and deal with any of the legal ramifications that could go into having thousands upon thousands of people telling people to buy this stock, hold this stock, it's going to be a good investment, $10,000, $5,000, which is okay in terms like a general sense with your friends. In terms of pure business, and as Reddit, the website as a business, they cannot not allow that on an actual website itself. So I think that's kind of the main reasons why I think it actually had to go private. As I mentioned, there was also the moderator on the actual subreddit itself going and saying, hey, we're having technical issues. We cannot actually physically ban these people. We cannot physically remove these people. The bots themselves, aka like auto moderator, for that you could basically set up for all these different types of websites, was not able. I saw a specific mod also go and reach out. They said there was only like a 30 to 40% actual deletion / removal rate for any of these spam and also improperly used accounts, which once again can kind of lead to issues with big business sending people over there because they can't actually regulate it, or even just more so kind of just new people that are not super familiar with all this actual Reddit stuff going on and seeing this, typing their comments, messaging their comments, and basically causing so much of a disarray. It's also crazy too, just on some of the actual comments themselves. You can even look at some of the Reddit over here, where some people are like saying like, hey, it's all gone. They're trying to go clean up before the SEC. The feds and SEC are trying to go crack on down. Apparently even Reddit themselves actually went on down, which I did see that myself too as well. And then also there was a lot of different major things too as well. Actually, here's even a Slasher tweet. You can look at what Slasher said. Justin, Discord has shut down, apparently even Discord itself. Discord has shut down the Wallstreetbets server for hate speech, glorifying violence, and spreading misinformation, which is kind of insane because I feel like that doesn't really seem like that's really what was kind of going on. But that kind of ties back into the whole major issue of there was just so much traffic, so many people. I think there was even 1 million people online at one point on this Wallstreetbets subreddit, which is actually insane in terms of how many people were there. So this is kind of nuts. And then also here's just like all the statement itself over here. So the server's been in our trust and safety's team radar for some time due to the occasional content that violates our community guidelines, including hate speech, glorifying violence, and spreading misinformation. So I'm not 100% sure exactly how true this is. It seems like a very convenient timing, as well as just kind of seems kind of strange. I don't know. I'm kind of curious too as well on how this actual price is going to actually go and affect this stuff. But this definitely, even other people are kind of saying like this looks a little bit suspicious. I have to go and say all this looks very suspicious too as well. So I don't know. Everything about this is just very, 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 very strange. It's leaning towards something that, to me, doesn't seem right. I don't know. It's all like, it all was in with the same time period. It doesn't make sense. It seems really weird. But overall, to kind of go and wind down this video, the main reason why it did seem like it was banned was because of the FEC or SEC having issues with it, mass amounts of people. They're saying it's from hate or anything like that. I kind of feel like that doesn't seem that true. And overall, this kind of seems like a big slap in the face for all the normal retailer investors, and also kind of seems like the hedge fund is still crying about all this random stuff that is going on in general. So you guys leave your thoughts down below. I'm going to put this on the second channel just because I think the main channel itself seems like a little bit of a weird thing to actually be put this on. So if you guys don't mind that, but if any of you guys are new and you guys are welcome, hi guys, welcome guys. And of course, make sure you guys are subscribed to the main channel. Check on the Amazon link down below for the PS5s and all that good stuff. The Webull link, definitely go and sign up for Webull, linked down below. You guys go get a bunch of free stocks if you guys sign up there. Coinbase, you guys sign up there, you guys go get a bunch of free cryptocurrency as well if you guys buy $100 with any crypto. And Twitter, Twitch stream, link down below. Subscribe on this channel and the main channel as well if you guys want. But this is crazy. Leave your thoughts down below. This is really dumb in my opinion, and at least on the bright side, hopefully some people made some good money in general. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys all for chilling.